guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I do post videos every single week. Okay, so for today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys what I got from Victoria's Secret lately. Alrighty, so if you want to see what I got, then let's just get to it. Alrighty, so sorry about that. My camera did die, so I had to swap that out. So if it looks any different, I apologize. That is the reason why. So one of the items I purchased was kind of like impulse. It was there like near checkout, and I thought these looked so soft and comfortable. So I picked up these pair of pajama bottoms. They have cherries all over them. They say Mary Cherry on them. It's just what they look like. They have kind of like a love pink cinched waistband. And then it's just soft all the way down, and it's cinched at the bottom, but these are just super comfortable and super cozy. I just had to pick them up. I needed new pajama bottoms anyway, so I am super excited to wear these. So I ordered stuff over the past month, so I have 2 big bags of products in there. So those might have been at the end of like the Christmas season, so you're watching this now in February. That's why there's a couple like Christmas items in here. So I purchased these pair of pink pants. They are just like they have a waistband tie at the waist, and I think I actually purchased the gray pair of these in my last video, I think. I'll link that above if you want to watch that, but these are so cute and comfortable. They just look so good on, and I am seriously obsessed with these. They're just the most comfiest pair of leggings and joggers ever. I love these so much. Next, I purchased this sports bra, which actually matches my sweater like so perfectly. Well, pretty perfect. This is just what it looks like. I love this kind of like burnt orange color. So cute and so comfortable. It's very lightly padded, which I like, and it just has like pink going down the back of it, but these are super cute and comfortable. It looks really nice on. It really like accentuates your curves, so I really love this style of sports bra. It's just super comfortable. I also picked up that sports bra in a gray color. Actually, I think this one's a little different. Yeah. So this one is a little different. It has the cups in there, very lightly padded, which I like. Really pretty soft gray shade. This one too has that really nice defined cup, so it'll accentuate the curves. But again, it is super comfortable and it does support me. Very lightly padded, so definitely love these. So I ended up getting this cute bag. I don't know, I think this might have been like a GWP. Oh yeah, actually, so it was this bag, which is super cute, marbled. I love this. This is actually huge. It has so much space in there. And then it also came with this Sherpa. It also came with the Sherpa, which I'm sitting on. Super comfortable. I love their Sherpas, so that was a really nice GWP. So Victoria's Secret has their semi-annual sale. It's twice a year, which I'm sure most of you know, and I did pick up some items from that too. So I picked up this. It's a I think it's, Body by Victoria push-up bra. This is just in spotted, it's like a pale pink spotted polka dot. Has a little bit of push-up in there. It's a really nice, comfortable foam. So if you haven't tried this before, I do love this style. It's one of my favorites. It has adjustable straps. You can crisscross them in the back too, which I love. So this was during the semi-annual sale, so I probably got this for like $19.99, somewhere around there, but love their bras, and this style has always been one of my favorites. I needed new bras like desperately, so I always take advantage of the semi-annual sale. So I don't know if it's going to show up very well, but I think, yeah, this is another push-up Body by Victoria, and it has really pretty lace detailing going down the side as well as the back. There's a little bit of lace on the strap. And again, this is adjustable, so you can crisscross it, wear with tank tops, which is nice, but it has that memory foam, so it's definitely one of my favorites. Comfort is everything for me. So super excited to get this in black with some lace details. I just picked up one of the basic black push-ups from Pink. Yeah, just a basic comfy push-up. Alright, I don't know what's in this bag that was inside of the bag. I forget what I ordered, honestly, so let's open her up and see. It's a bag. Oh, this is such a cute bag. I forgot about this. I don't know if this was a gift or if I purchased this. Wow, this is huge. So this is just what the bag looks like. It has pink and like rainbow lettering. I love that. I love anything neon and rainbow. This is another big size. I have way too many bags. It's insane. But I'm super excited for this one and the marble one. I just got a blue one recently in my last haul, so I'll probably give that one to my sister. But super excited for this. Came with a little $20 off a $50 purchase, and yay, it didn't start yet, so I didn't miss it for once. I always miss them for some reason, so I will have to put this aside so I can use it. Alright, we have a box. Let's see. I don't remember when I ordered or what I ordered, honestly. So some of this is like a surprise. Super hard to open. Okay, so I ordered a mist. I didn't even remember that I ordered one. So I ordered the pink coconut. It's coconut cream and iced vanilla. Ooh, coconut and vanilla? Yes. Just sprayed that right on my face. It smells so good though. You can smell the coconut's really strong. I feel like the coconut is more apparent than the vanilla, but it is really, really pretty, so I will definitely get good use out of that on my body, not my face. We have another box, so I'm guessing I ordered another spray. I don't know why, because I have so many sprays. It's insane. Yes, another spray. So I ordered a vanilla swirl. Vanilla, of course, because I love vanilla. It's frosted vanilla and sugar crystals. Ooh, so this is probably going to be like a sweet vanilla scent. Alright, let's spray this the right way, Brie, and not at your face. So pretty. Yeah, so it's very sweet, soft vanilla scent. I love that one a lot. That one's definitely more vanilla, which is more me. I feel like the coconut I'll save more for like summertime. Yes, I love that vanilla scent. So pretty. Ooh, I forgot I ordered this. So I ended up ordering one of the Wear Everywhere Super Push-Up Bras. This has a little extra padding. So I like to use this for when I have more like lower cut shirts. But this just has some cute silver polka dots on there. So that is super cute and adorable. I'm excited to wear this. We have another box. Let's see. This one's smaller though. So what did I order? Oh. So I totally forgot, but I ordered little hand sanitizers from Pink. So it's Cocoa Blossom. Just 3 different hand sanitizers. Clean hands, calm mind, it says. That actually smells really good. Really nice and fresh scent. So reminds me of summer. Cannot wait for spring and summer. So super excited for these. I also picked up another spray. This is the Fresh Vanilla Bean Orchid. So a fresh vanilla twist. I feel like I've been spraying so much, I just can't smell. Okay, I don't even know. This Vanilla Bean Orchid is just, I'm not really digging it. It smells kind of like sour in my opinion. So that one I will probably give away like to my sister because that's just not for me. And then I also picked up this Sweet Orchid. It's a toasted coconut and apple rose. Yes, let's switch it up a little bit, Brie. I have like every scent on me right now. Like, it's crazy. Let me let that alcohol settle for a second. That one's pretty. I like the Sweet Orchid. So you can definitely smell like the fruity scent mixed with a little bit of coconut. Super pretty. Alrighty guys, so that was everything that I've got from Victoria's Secret lately. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until my next one, bye!